Hey everyone, so this has been an unboxing of the Lenovo Tab M11. I believe this just came out. This was 180 bucks here in the US. See here, this is 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage. And then this has a almost 11-inch display, IPS display, octa-core processor, which is a MediaTek, all-day battery life. And it does support the pen, but does not come with it. And it does have Dolby Atmos. Of course, it's Android. And as far as I know, this does have quad speakers. All right, so it has a couple of tapes you gotta cut. Nothing else in the box. Come back to the tablet in just a second. This thing has a bit of a weird smell to it. It does have actually USB-A, the USB-C. So it does have USB-C, but it is to USB-A. It does have a charger, and it's only a 10-watt charger. I believe it supports up to 15 watts. Of course, you have a quick start guide, along with some other stuff here as well. Yeah, this does up to 15-watt charging, which I don't think it'd be too fast for being a 11-inch device, but it does support up to 11. It does come with a 10-watt. All right. I always like the way these tablets look. They always look really, really nice. So you have a little bit of well, it's all the same texture, all nice and smooth. We have the Lenovo here that is actually like engraved, I guess you'd call that. A little bit of a different texture, not texture, but look, a little bit of a different style. 8 megapixel camera, so not fantastic camera, but I don't know who really uses these anyway. It does have Dolby Atmos as well. Looking around the device here, nothing on that side. I do have a speaker there, speaker here. Again, I believe this is quad from what I read. So quad speakers. Power button there, volume rocker, mic, your micro SD card slot expansion. Does have a headphone jack, so that is quite nice. And then 2 other speakers, USB Type-C. Again, nothing on that side. And you do have the camera right there. So yeah, like I said, just a quick unboxing here of the new Lenovo Tab M11. Again, this was 180 bucks here in the US. I got mine from Best Buy. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be making a bunch more videos on this to come. Yeah, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.